They're absolutely livid. That sounds a picture of Invader. It's a Norwich fan. Oh!
Yo my people, we are back again for another vlog. Crystal Palace taking on Norwich today at home. A big game, a huge must win. If we don't win, pressure's going to be on the team. To be honest, listen, if we can't beat Norwich today, then I don't know who we're going to beat. With the second half of the season coming up and West Ham United this Saturday on New Year's Day. So, yeah, that's going to be a real intense game. But listen, we've got to focus on today. It'll be interesting to see what team we're going to go with due to a few players being out with COVID. I mean, a couple of days ago, we lost 3-0 to Tottenham, as people know. It's a hard getting sent off. I'll get to that more as the vlog goes on. But listen, Luca has COVID. Gaita's got COVID. Benteke, Elise and Eze have it. So, yeah, we're limited to the amount of players we can select and be picked for today's game. I think Ayew Edouard will probably start, and that Zaha obviously suspended. I mean everyone knows why anyway. God, I've got a lot to say about him, but yeah, listen, we need to compete, we need to take our chances, we need to be tight, we need to be solid, no mistakes, no, sloppy errors and that. Just got to keep our heads up and just, turn up today and get the 3 points. People are confident. I had a mate message me saying we're going to win 4-0 today. I don't know about that. I'm going to go 2-1 Palace. I'm going to try and be positive. Yes, it was Tottenham we played last time. We were down to 10 men and 2-0 down. It's a horrible day, a horrible game. Performance was not good. Zaha let us down. So, yeah, talk about it more in the vlog, especially with my daddy. Got a bit to say about Wilf. So, yeah, come on, you Palace. Let's get the 3 points. Let's beat Norwich. Please don't let us down. So we're at Sellers Park, just parked around the corner basically. But yeah, listen, team lineups haven't been in yet. I want to get your thoughts down on Zaha.
We're in a predicament now where we've got players out with COVID and he goes and gets himself sent off. So we're playing Norwich today.
He's the most experienced player as well.
We can have a weakened team out there, but then Norwich are as well. And we could just done without his being sent off. Saying that, he's not been playing well anyway, so I'll be honest with you, I'm not too phased. I mean, 2 years ago, yeah, when he weren't playing, it was like, oh my God, Zaha's not playing. Now I'm like thinking, look, the rest of the players, get on with it, get on and play without him, because I'll be honest with you, I'm just getting fed up with the whole thing with him. So look, let's see what we can do without him and then move on.
The team lineups in. Oh my word, I've just seen it. Right, always Vicente Gaita, this is starting 11. Our captain and right back Joel Ward. 2 centre backs of Guy and Anderson. So yep, that partnership is back on. Been a while since them two have played together. Left back Tariq Mitchell. Defensive mid Kiarte. Centre mids of Schlupp and Will Hughes. And our front three is Ayew, Mateta and Edouard. Mateta is starting. Oh my God, if he does not have a good game, I will lose my... I will just lose my cool with him. On the bench, we've got Jack Butland, Matthews, Tompkins, Kelly, Nathan Ferguson, who probably will come on, Luka Milivojevic, Readable and Christian Benteke. So Vicente Gaita and Benteke look like they've recovered from COVID. Zaha let the team down against Spurs and is now bloody suspended. Elise and Eze could potentially be back for that game, but no Gallagher. Oh God, I don't know where the creation is going to come from in the midfield. We haven't got Eze either, so hopefully Schlupp steps up. I hope Hughes steps up as well, does his good work defensively and going forward as well. It's going to be a difficult one, but listen, we just need to take our chances today, and that's all that we can do. If we lose to Norwich, it's going to be toxic, simple as. So come on, Palace.
So the game's just about to kick off, but I've got a prediction. I'm going to go 2-1 Palace. I've got faith in the team. I think if we take our chances and just keep it tight at the back, I think we'll stop Norwich from scoring. I mean, they've conceded quite a few goals. They lost 5-0 badly last time out 2 days ago against Arsenal. So, yeah, we got a chance, man. Come on, Palace. I believe in the team. I've got faith in it. Come on.
Been a dreadful start so far. We got the ball a bit now. Just need to keep the ball, man. Do you know what I mean? Can't seem to communicate and pass between ourselves. It's not good enough. It's shocking. We're doing it now, but gotta wake up. It's very slow. Kind of wish this game was already called off, to be fair. But it's not been a good start.
Come on! Chance to go up. Come on, let's take it, man. Come on, man. Come on. He needs to get a goal, man. He ain't scored in 2 months. Come on, man. Come on, Edward. Come on, ref, blow your whistle, man. Come on, you Palace, man.
Don't approach, don't.
Yes! Edward, come on! Come on, man! Come on! Come on, Palace! About time he scores, man. Come on. I hope that gets his confidence up in the team. Come on! Hey! Got a free kick. It's not like the most like.
Oh, he's good at that.
Yeah, I know. It's good at holding the ball up high. He won a free kick for us, but it's not been that good of the first half. One shot on target, there was a penalty. Just need to get another chance and take it and kill the game. Because Norwich look like right now without Pookie. I think he's either injured or got COVID. I don't even know. But we're all over them. We're playing a lot better than how we started the game, to be honest. One chance from Matessa. Just had a shot, side netting. Best attempt he's had all season. If he can make more of them runs or score, come on, man. One of the referees' equipment or something's just fallen off. I don't even know. He might be injured. I don't know. Taking their time. Well, this game's going to finish at midnight by the time he's not finished. Bloody hell. So we're at half time or what? Like it's a drinks break. I don't even know what it is right now. It's the mic alongside the referee for him to communicate with VAR and the other officials. Apparently something's happened there, but it's embarrassing, man. It's shocking. I don't know what's going on. Now he's joining us now. God, took his time with that one. Flipping, oh. Embarrassment. Embarrassment for the referee and the Prem. Come on, Palace. Get the second. Get the second. Come on, IE. Forward! Flipping, oh. He's finally scored at home! Come on! Wanna finish, wanna go! Come on, man! Come on, Palace! Yo! Hey! Matata! All over, yes I'm. Come on, Palace. 3-0! Jeffrey Schlupp, what a finish! Come on! Look at the Norwich fans. Norwich fans are fuming. Come on, Palace! Blimey. Didn't expect that. Did not expect us to be 3-0 up before half time. Come on. Come on. They're absolutely livid. They're singing, "You're not fit to wear the shirt." Oh boy. Surprised right now. Norwich fans here at home, 5 minutes been added on. They're just getting 3-0 up. Don't let them back in the game or else God knows what's going to happen. Mitchell gave away a stupid free kick to the right in front of the Homestall end. Come on, Palace, just defend this, man, and just go 3 up at half time. Come on. Oh. Another chance there for him. Look at 2 chances in a minute. Come on, Palace, what's this defending? Come on, Palace, get it out. Like that, thoughts on that, Mateta finally getting a goal.
Yeah, I said if he gets a hat trick, I'll eat my hat. Look, brilliant performance, but let's face it, Norwich are one of the worst teams that have come down here this season. I can't remember the last time Palace were 3-0 up at half time. But they played really well. Yeah. I mean, you can't only play what's put in front of you. They played well. So.
James, what are your thoughts on that?
I think we played amazingly. What a half! Immaculate goals. I don't think that should have been a yellow for Edward.
Nah, it's a bit light. Yeah.
went down too easy, but
Yeah.
we played amazingly. We don't need Will.
Nah, definitely not. It was struggle to get back in the team the way we're playing. I just hope we don't get like too complacent about it. You know, because I've seen Leicester like a couple of days ago. They 4 down at half time and came back and got it to 4-3, but lost 6-3. So got to keep our heads up and just take our chances, which we've done in the game. So yeah, the team are doing what I've want. They're performing well. That's what more could we ask for? Come on, Palace. See you in the second half.
Come on, Palace, keep it tight. Come on.
Will Hughes taking a corner to the left. The Homestyle fans. Oh, well, let's get that 4th goal and just shut the game off because Norwich are running it as a bit. They've got 4 up front as well by the looks of it. So come on, Jordan. Come on. A ball, ref. Well done.
Norwich fans just pretended they scored a goal. Meanwhile, free kick to Palace. Just got to keep it tight, get them on the break. Oh, Mateta! Head it in, someone! Oh. Another chance there, should have buried that. Unlucky though. Harmonised. Yes, well done! Vicente Gaeta just doing what he has to do best, making a good save, keeping us in the game, just about keeping the score to 3-0 with a clean sheet. He was offside anyway, the rebound, but good goalkeeping there. Just got to keep it tight. It might be a boring second half, but as long as we keep the ball and get 3 points, I'll be happy. Hopefully Nathan Ferguson can come on and make his home debut for Palace. And meanwhile, it's been a pretty dead second half. Oh shit. Lovely run from Edouard, a brilliant ball from Ayew, who did so well just to get it out of danger. Lovely skill as well, passed it to Edouard, forced the corner. What are your thoughts? What do you think of the game so far in the second half?
Died a bit second half. We're just managing the second half really. Not much in it, to be honest with you.
And he's up, do you think he needs to make it?
I believe it is, to be honest with you.
Yeah, fair enough. He's been playing well. Will Hughes has got a lot of respect from the Palace fans. He's going to take a corner for us right now, yet again. Corner about to be taken. Yeah! Oh! And a volley from Schlupp that went into Rose.
It's Luca, he's got a better game than when he last played against Aston Villa. Come on, man. That sounds a pitch Invader. It's a Norwich fan. Oh! Oh my days! Oh my days. It's a Norwich fan, I think. Oh my days. Oh, what a legend. Oh my goodness. Someone's going to jail today. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on, guy. And off goes Mateta for Benteke. He's had a good game-ish. Oh, Benteke. Off goes Anderson. I think Tompkins will come on. Oh, for God's sake. I don't know what happened. I think I might have pulled something. Muscle, a calf injury or something, hamstring up. We'll see after the game if that did. No, it did. Oh! Big offside! Offside! What a goal, but he was offside. I think it's obvious. They're going to check VAR probably, who knows? VAR are checking it. We'll see if they give it. I don't know. 50-50 is the usual, isn't it? VAR are checking it. Could be 4. Come on, just give the goal. Oh, no goal. Woo!
It's a great finish, but no goal. What a disappointment. Fortunately, we're 3 up and it wasn't like, we weren't, what was it, like 1-0 down or something. Straight in. Go on. Oh, Edouard! Yeah, oh, it's just over, man. Flipping out, man. We should be about 4 up already. Like 3 minutes added on. The game's basically done. Fans are walking out. Yeah. If we can get a 4th, that'd be good, but can't see it really. Doing well though, we've done well to keep the ball really well, just keep it tight, that's what we can ask for.
Booze from the Norwich fans, applause from the Palace fans. 3-0, great result, clean sheet for the first time since November. I'll take that, what a win. Brilliant.
Still going over it before the fans, and the fans are telling them where to go.
What an embarrassment from Norwich, that's what I'll say if I was a Norwich fan. Look at them, they are fuming. Embarrassment.